Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and I am going to scrapbook and put together a layout using our June mini kit Monday kit that I put together. And these are the pictures that I am going to scrapbook. So I'm going to put this on the side for now because I don't want to lose them as we work on our project here. I'm going to use the chestnut brown color box ink to ink my edges, and then I'm going to use this Hero Arts Infinity circle dies. I'm going to use this soft spoken stickers called Ahoy. I forgot to add this and show you that I am also going to use this cardstock here. I forgot to add it to my original video, so I'm going to add this on this layout, and I'm going to use that as part of the embellishment. We also have here a Kiwi Lane scallops border because the layout, by the way, which I will insert here, so the layout, as you saw, will use some scallop border. So I'm going to use the scallops 1B border for, this is a Kiwi Lane template. And then off the kit, we are going to use, like I had mentioned, there's going to be quite a bit of layering as we go through this layout. So I'm going to use several papers here. We're going to start with this. And then we have the white American Crafts cardstock that I am going to use as my base. So let's start playing, guys. I'm going to start cutting my papers here, and let me put all this on the side for now. Let's cut the branding strip off of this. And then we're going to cut this paper down to 10 by 6 inches this way, and 10 inches this way. All right, we'll set this aside. And the next piece of paper that we're going to cut is this one, and we're going to cut this down to 9 by 8. Eight inches this way, and then 9 inches this way. Then we're going to make a tag, and we're going to make a tag using this paper here, and we're going to cut it down to 3 inches by maybe 4 inches, because this is not going to show all the way through. So what I'm planning to do now is to cut the corners here. And I'm just going to flip this over to use this as my template to make sure it's kind of like even on both sides for the tag. There you go. Put the embellishments on the side. And then we're gonna cut this paper. And what I plan to do is probably, I'm going to cut this at the top, cut this too. Instead of making a bracket here, I'll just leave this two alone as my embellishments for the side later. And you'll see what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to cut this and then take the branding strip off of this on the top, off the top. And then this side here. Just enough to take them off. There you go. This now can go on the side. First thing I'm going to do is draw an inch or mark an inch on this template. So I know this is 1 inch. I'm going to mark it here, and I'm going to mark it here too, and I'm going to mark it in the middle too, because I am only going to probably do half of this for 6 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring in my I don't know what this is called. Steering wheel? I don't know what it's called. I'm so dumb. I'm so silly. I don't know what they're called. But anyway, so I'm going to start taking this and working it. I'm only going to do maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm thinking 6. So up to here. So we're going to just draw this. So I'm just going to get 6 scallops. How many scallops is that now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when I get to the end, I'll just clip it down here. Let me make a straight line on this side just to be on the safe side. There you go. And that's our straight line, and that's how we're gonna cut this. So I'm gonna cut this and follow the lines. There you go, it's done. I'm going to put it on the side. The next thing I'm going to do, right now I'm just creating embellishments. Next thing I'm going to do is bring out my die here. And this is the element here that I want to bring out and matte on this paper. I'm sorry, kind of matches my matte. So let me find something here that will kind of look like it's that way I can matte this. Maybe this one here. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Start cutting this using our favorite tool here. Our Marquee. Guys, like I said, you see how kind of warped my template is? So my folder is. Don't worry, it still will work. Let me bring in my Marquee and cut it. Next is we're just going to peel this and put it right here. Kind of center it. I have to center this, I can get it. The next thing I'm going to do is take this and fussy cut it, guys. Yes, I'm going to fussy cut it the best I can. So I'll be right back after I'm done fussy cutting it, and then we're going to ink all our elements and then put them down on our layout. I'll be right back. Okay guys, let's ink our elements now. Okay guys, let's put together our layout. Okay guys, one layout down. It's not perfectly the same as sketch, but it's there, I think. I hope. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the process of how I created this layout and that you enjoyed watching it. If this is the first time you're watching and you like what you saw, please subscribe. We are trying to grow our family. If you like this layout, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!